कि आप लोगों को पता है कि पिछले कुछ दिनों में बारिशें वगैरह काफ़ी हो रही थी। आज जो है वो मौसम काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो सनी है और गर्मी हो रही है। तो आरिब और शहीर ने कहा कि हमने जो है वो स्विमिंग पूल के अंदर पानी के साथ खेलना। तो हमने उनका स्विमिंग पूल निकाला है और नाउ दे आर एंजॉइंग। और मेरे पास इनके लिए एक सरप्राइज़ भी है आज, और we are going to open that toy for them and then they will play with that toy in water. Show me how to swim. Swim. You are crawling, not swimming. I have a surprise for you. I will show you. Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh, you are excited. This is something new I got for you. To play in water. Okay. Ta-da! So this is a balloon boat. Yes, you want it, na? We will first open it and then you can play with balloon boat in the water, in swimming pool. You want green one? Okay, take it. Okay. Yeah. Take it. I'll give it to me for a minute. I will give it to you back. Okay? एक टॉय मुझे एक शॉप पे नज़र आया था। ये बैलून बोट है बेसिकली। इसमें बैलून के अंदर आप एयर ब्लो करके लाइक दिस, और फिर ये इसके ऊपर आप करते हैं और फिर इसको पानी के अंदर छोड़ देते हैं, तो ये बोट जो है ना वो फ्लोट करती है पानी के अंदर। तो इसके अंदर एक वार्निंग भी है, वो यही कि इसको बच्चों को ना मतलब अकेले उनको यूज़ ना करने दें, साथ एडल्ट लाजमी हैं इसके ब्लो करते हुए, ये जो है ना चोक भी हो सकता है। दैट्स वाई इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस टॉय यू शुड stay with your kids while playing with these toys. Don't leave them alone with these toys. Come, open it. Okay, this is your board. Take it. Yes, this is your. Now give it to me. I will open it for you. Yes, this is your board. Okay, take it. Just take it right way, like this. This is the right way. Take it right. First, I will put this balloon on this nozzle for your boat. Okay, then I will blow it and then put this nozzle on it. Then you can put it in the water and it will float. Come here. Give me your board. I will put it on the board. Come here. Come. Aarib, you take it. Come. Take it with, hold it with both hands, Shaheer. Come here. Hold it with both hands. Come here. Yes. Oh. Now put it down in the water. Here. Yes. Put it here. Yes. Ha ha. Can you show me how to swim? Yes, yes, yes. Do it. Yes, great. You know how to swim. Tell me, you want to go to the real swimming pool and learn swimming? Yes? No?
I think that will be scared. It's a for grown-ups.
No. Yes, it is for grown-ups, but the real swimming pool that is also for kids. You want to go and learn swimming in the real swimming pool?
Yes.
Yes? You are brave boy. You will not be scared?
No. Let's
Okay.
go, Baba. Friends, I hope you like our video. If you like it, then share it and subscribe our channel.
आई होप आप लोगों को हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको ये हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और हमारा चैनल भी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाएं ताकि हमारी नई वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट मिलती रहे। सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो।
See you next video. Bye bye.
अल्लाह हाफिज़।